My name is Cinssaint Laurent. Un bon créole Saint-Saint-Laurent. C'est le cap avec Moïse, avec Vertier, Champagne,
That's right.
mon bagay. Yeah, ça c'est moi-même. Et puis moi-même, I'm an accountant. On dit travail dans audit and taxation, mainly. On the side, I operate like a few businesses of mine. Côté moi, fill taxes pour Moon, do tax planning, and then bookkeeping and everything.
That's good. That's good. What about taxation or accounting that you like so much? You feel like, you know what? I need to know more about this field.
Accounting wasn't my first choice actually. Accounting wasn't. It was never a goal of mine. I knew I was good at math, but first choice was the army. Actually, I signed up for it. I just never went. Shout out to my boy Wishnight who actually went. Appreciate your service, my guy. I got into accounting because my guidance counselor actually put me onto it. She was like, "I've seen your grade in math. I think you should go to school for